polymer clay hedgehog is just as cute as he is prickly. It's fairly easy to make, and I'll show you how with step-by-step instructions. For this project, you will need tan, black, and white polymer clay, wood toothpicks, dark brown and white acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a baking dish that is not metal, such as glass or ceramic. Start with a walnut-sized piece of tan polymer clay to make the hedgehog's body and head. Just roll it in your hands to make it round and then pinch a nose out on one side. Roll 4 small pieces of tan clay to make the front and hind legs. Bend each leg up to make a foot at the end and attach the upper part to the body. Blend in all of the seams and repeat for the other 3 feet. Now roll a tiny ball of black clay and stick it onto the end of the hedgehog's nose. Roll even smaller balls of black clay and put them on for the eyes. You can use a toothpick to help you get them in the right place. Press them on slightly. With just the tiniest bit of white clay that you can get on the end of a toothpick, add that to the eyes to make highlights. Now the clay part of the hedgehog is completed and we need to add some spikes. Break off the ends of the toothpicks, about a half of an inch each. Just break off both ends until you get a pretty significant pile of them. Start adding the spikes to your hedgehog by pressing the broken end of the toothpick into the hedgehog's body. Start with the back and press in the spikes in rows. Add ears to the hedgehog by rolling a small ball of clay and then setting it onto the head with a toothpick, making a crease in the middle. Now is the time to bake it. So you want to put it in an oven-proof pan that is either glass or white ceramic like I've got here. Bake it according to the clay manufacturer's instructions on the package. In general, it will be about 275 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes for a project of this size, but be sure you read the instructions because it may vary a little bit. Let him cool completely before you carry on with the next step. Use dark brown acrylic paint to paint the spikes on your hedgehog. This is a little bit tricky since they're close together, but remember that you don't have to paint clear at the base of the toothpicks. It matches the color of the body of the hedgehog, so it's okay if you don't get completely at the base. Paint all the way around the toothpicks. Once the brown paint is dry, use a little bit of white acrylic paint to paint just the tips of those toothpicks. And you are finished. Once the paint is dry, your hedgehog is ready. I've got instructions for other polymer clay animals on my channel, as well as other crafting ideas with new uploads every single week. So please subscribe so you don't miss an episode.